My son is cleaning the pool. I am so happy to get this project done. Jessie, hi baby. Max. The pool is up and running. Hey Roxy. And there's my critters. And there's another one. It's Mama. Jessie. Where's Roxy? So glad to get it done. Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Jessie. Hi, Jessie. You're so dirty. You've been rolling in the dirt. Why are you rolling in the dirt? Hey, Maggie. Hi, Mags. Hi, Maggie. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. There's Roxy. There's my girls. I don't know where the other critters are. I don't know, 2 or 3, 4 more running around. Yay, the pool's up and running, and it looks nice and blue.